Good evening. You're watching Sense of Science, and this is the next video on the playlist of quantum numbers on your fingertips. So, these are your fingertips, and you will be having quantum numbers here, which means that you will be so familiarized with the quantum numbers that they will be just like a game. Okay? So, in this video, we'll be discussing about the energy rules for orbitals, that which orbital will have higher energy than which orbital. This energy rule is very important for writing the electronic configuration of elements, which we will be discussing shortly in the next videos of the playlist. Okay, so there is one important rule which governs the energy for orbitals. The rule is greater the n plus L value of orbital, greater is its energy. Let me write the statement first, then I'll explain. The next part is, if n plus L value is same, then greater n value is greater energy. And third statement, if different atoms have the same orbital, then energy of the orbital will be lower in case of the higher atomic number, which is denoted by Z. So hence energy in this case of the same orbital is inversely proportional to the atomic number. So these are three statements which give you the complete idea of the energy rule. So now let's understand the three statements in detail. Okay. First, greater the n plus L value for an orbital, greater is its energy. n plus L मतलब अगर हम n वैल्यू विच इज़ द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर और L वैल्यू निकाल दें, ग्रेटर उसकी एनर्जी हो जाएगी. समझ में आ गया? जितना बड़ा n plus L वैल्यू विल बी देयर, उतना बड़ा विल बी द एनर्जी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज सेइंग if the n plus L value is same, then the greater n value will have greater energy. अगर n plus L value is same. ठीक है. थर्ड रूल को हम थोड़ी देर बाद समझते हैं, पहले फर्स्ट टू रूल्स में कुछ एप्लीकेशंस देखते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम कंपेयरिंग टू ऑर्बिटल्स. आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन ऑन एनर्जी एंड आई एम कंपेयरिंग टू ऑर्बिटल्स 2p, ओके, एंड 1s. इन दो को हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं एनर्जीज में. तो सिंपली क्या करते हैं, वील टेक अप 2p में n इज इक्वल टू 2, l इज इक्वल टू, l फॉर p यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज 1, सो n प्लस l इज योर 3. सिमिलरली फॉर 1s, n इज 1, s के लिए l इज इक्वल टू 0, सो n प्लस l इज इक्वल टू 1. सो 2p का n प्लस l बड़ा है, 2p की एनर्जी ज़्यादा हो गई. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी वी आर कंपेयरिंग देम. क्लियर? Is this clear? Alright, ये हो गया फर्स्ट रूल पे बेस्ड. अब सेकेंड रूल पे देखते हैं. वी आर कंपेयरिंग 3D एंड 4P. ओके, 3D के लिए n इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड d फॉर s इज 2. d फॉर l वैल्यू फॉर d इज 2. क्लियर? Whereas in 4P the n is equal to 4 and for p the l value is 1. So I get n plus l as 5 and n plus l here also is 5, but they are not having same energy. Why is that so? Yes, because I will use the second rule. If n plus l value is same, then the greater n value is the greater energy. मतलब 4p की एनर्जी ज़्यादा है, 4p की एनर्जी ज़्यादा है, ये वैल्यू होगी. ओके, ऑलराइट. अब आते हैं थर्ड रूल पे. Third rule is saying if we are now in third rule having if different atoms we are comparing have the same orbital, मतलब यहाँ पे orbital तो same है, then the energy of the orbital will be lower in case of higher atomic number. Means, just take an example. I have hydrogen का 2s orbital and I have, sorry, hydrogen नहीं, hydrogen का 1s और I have the helium का 1s. Okay, ये केस हुआ, सेम ऑर्बिटल बट डिफरेंट एटम्स. तो एनर्जी उसकी बड़ी होगी जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर कम है. दैट मीन्स द एनर्जी विल बी ग्रेटर whose atomic number is less. That means energy is inversely proportional to the atomic number. ये inverse proportionality is your case. तो atomic number of hydrogen, the Z for hydrogen is 1, Z for helium, atomic number for helium is 2. हीलियम का एटॉमिक नंबर बढ़ा हुआ, एनर्जी किसकी ज़्यादा माना है इसमें? हाइड्रोजन की एनर्जी ज़्यादा. ओके, सिमिलरली इफ आई एम कंपेयरिंग लिथियम एंड बेरिलियम का 1s और 2s वॉट एवर, ओके, लिथियम एनर्जी विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर बिकॉज लिथियम का एटॉमिक नंबर छोटा है एंड एटॉमिक नंबर एंड एनर्जी फॉर द सेम ऑर्बिटल इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. ओके, इज दिस क्लियर? नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस देयर आर 3 terms which we come across. The first one is ground state. Okay, so there are 3 terms I am going to write here. Let's try to understand each. Ground state, second is excited state. First ये दोनों समझते हैं. Ground state का मतलब है the lowest energy state, and lowest energy orbital for any atom will be 1s. 1s से ज़्यादा ही होंगी बाकी की energies, so 1s is the ground state. Excited state, any other than ground state, any other than ground state is your excited state. Any other orbital other than the ground state is the excited state, जिसमें energy ज़्यादा हो. Clear? Third one is a very important term, degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbitals are those orbitals whose energy is same. Okay, जिसकी energy same हुई वो हो गए degenerate orbitals. Okay, example 3dx, 3dy, etc. 3px, 3py, 3pz, ये सारे हो गए degenerate because n plus n value 3 plus 1 is 4 आता है तीनों में और n value भी same, so energies are same. Because the p subshell has 3 orbitals as we have understood and 6 electrons. So p subshell के जो 3 orbitals होंगे वो degenerate होंगे. यानी orbitals of the same subshell will be degenerate. Why? Because the same subshell means the L value and n plus L value will be same. So hence the energies will be same. So whenever we are talking about degenerate orbitals, they will be orbitals of the same subshell. Okay? तो एक सबशेल में कितने ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं? एस में 2, एस में एक ही ऑर्बिटल होता है, तो उसमें डिजेनरेसी का केस ही नहीं बनता. पी हैज़ 3 ऑर्बिटल्स, ऑल द 3 आर डिजेनरेट. ओके, विच आर डिनोटेड बाय 3px, 3py, 3pz. इस डिनोशन पे भी आई हैव अ वीडियो, आई विल बी अपलोडिंग अ वीडियो सून ऑन representation of orbitals in a subshell, so you will understand that very well. Shape of orbitals, I'm sorry. Okay, so hence again recapping, degeneracy will only occur in case of orbitals having orbitals of the same subshell. So like I took the example of p subshell which has 3 orbitals denoted by 3px, 3py and 3pz. All of them will have the same energy, which you can verify from the n plus L rule. Okay, so for degenerate orbitals, hence the bold point is the same subshell. Okay, अगर subshell same आ गया तो degeneracy का केस बन जाएगा. Okay, this is a very important concept because when I will be doing electronic configuration rules, this degeneracy case becomes very important. Okay, so just tally the subshell has to be same for degeneracy of an orbital to be taken place. Okay, because उसमें n plus L value भी same रहेगी और n value तो of course same है. Clear? So this was the next video, the energy rule for orbitals. So we'll have 2 more videos on orbitals here, and then we'll take up the videos on electronic configuration. So 7-8 more videos will be there on quantum numbers on your fingertips. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe it and like my videos. Please put in the comment section if there was any mistake I have done, anything you want me to do, or whether you like the video. Your views are very important. And at the end, of course, don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. okay, so that my latest videos reach to you immediately. All right, so stay home, stay safe, okay, and keep studying, keep learning. Thank you.